Hello, Mrs. Bangma here again, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create topic sentences or claim statements for each of your body paragraphs. Now, the first thing that you need is to make sure that you have a clear thesis statement, which we've been working on in class the last couple of days. And as you know, my sample is that Shakespeare shows that love is destructive. And I have 3 reasons why love is destructive. One reason is that it makes humans overly emotional. That's going to become the basis for my first body paragraph and the claim that I'm going to use in my first body paragraph. My second reason that love is destructive, according to Shakespeare, is that it makes people dependent on someone else. And finally, my last reason, which is going to be the claim for my third body paragraph, is that relationships rarely end well, which is another reason why love is destructive. Okay, so what you need to think about is that each of these reasons, reason number 1, reason number 2, and reason number 3 are going to be what you're going to prove in each of your body paragraphs. So we're going to take our main claim from our thesis statement, which is what the central idea of this work by Shakespeare is, that love is destructive, and we're going to prove it with our reasons. So you can come down to your, your planner and your body paragraph. And what you want to do is construct a clear claim statement, which is the topic sentence for your first body paragraph. So an example might be to say, Shakespeare shows that love is destructive because it makes people overly emotional. Now, I want you to notice I took the words from what I think the theme is, plus my first reason to create my claim sentence. That's all you need to do. It's pretty easy. The next claim sentence is for my body paragraph 2. So I'm going to take my second reason and I'm going to plug that in to create a claim for my second body paragraph. Here's a good place to use some transitional words and phrases. You're moving to another reason or a second reason. And this is a good place to move your audience along with some transitional words and phrases. So one option might be something like, so I've taken what I think the theme is, love is destructive. I've added this transitional phrase, because this is my next or another reason. And I'm going to place in my second reason from my thesis statement. People become dependent on the other person. All right. And then lastly, I am going to write my third claim statement. This is the topic sentence for my third body paragraph. Again, this is a great opportunity to use another transitional word or phrase to move your audience along and add fluency to your writing. So since it's my last one, I could put something like lastly or the final reason, but I like finally. Love is destructive because relationships rarely end well. All right, so the next step that I need to take in the writing process is I need to begin to prove these claims that I have made in my body paragraphs. I am going to need to locate textual evidence from the tragedy of Romeo and Juliet and cite that evidence and explain that evidence in my commentary. and we'll do that on another video. So hopefully this helps you with writing your topic sentences and your claims.